Alright guys, before installing any floor, we have got to figure out what's going on with the subfloor. Got my 10-foot fiberglass stick, and this is what's going to show me exactly where my subfloor is at. Place it down on the floor. Look at this big gap right here. This slopes down about an inch. So what I'm going to do here is I got a crayon. I'm going to mark all these areas. I'm just going to put an arrow like this. Now we come over to this side. Now it looks like there's a hump right in the middle there. You can see how it's plain in the middle. So what I gotta do is I gotta split the difference. So it's gonna be about ½ inch over here. This is my high spot. For my high spots, I'm gonna mark it like this, so I know I need to set this down a little bit. And it runs this way. So this is gonna get filled about ½ inch right here. And move it across. Okay, so this is all going to get filled in here this way. Gotta raise this up, lower this down, and fill that. So I'm going to go throughout the whole house, mark everything off, and then once it's ready, we're going to fill everything with the foam and self-level. Alright, in a situation like this where the floor slopes down and you have a vent, what I'm going to do is make a little board around it. Alright, what I like to do with my primer is to just spill it all over the place like this. And just use my roller. Alright, we're gonna start this from the closet, pour this in, and let it float backwards. Look at that. Nice. This is beautiful. Alright guys, yesterday we were trying to figure out the big dip and we had to take care of it with a leveler. So today I got my fiberglass stick back and let's double check, see what's going on. And would you look at that? It is perfectly flat. If you remember, it's about an inch dip right here. And then let's check this side. It is perfectly flat. I can see even a small dip anywhere. Let's take it across. Same thing, perfectly flat. That's what we're looking for when we're doing floating floors. It's got to be flat. That way when the floor is down, you won't have any movement. So, ready to rock and roll.